Hi guys, this is Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to crop video using Adobe Premiere Pro. You can download Adobe Premiere Pro from my Telegram channel. As you see here, it's cracked one. It doesn't ask any payment, and I install on your window. If you can't see this option, you can see here you can make your window workplace editing. It can be visible. And in today's video, I will show you how to crop video using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, you have to import videos to the timeline board like this, and then go to effect. If you have no effect, you can press here and make it visible. Then I go to video effects, transform, then crop, drag crop here, and go to effect control on the top. Again, if you can't see effect control, just you can press here and make it visible. Then I want to crop here, crop. As you see here, there are 4 controls. You can press any one. I crop in every direction that I want. You can crop in every direction, and then I can move to anywhere that I want. And I can increase or decrease the size like this, pressing, and you can move your mouse, or you can use position like okay. Also, I will show you how to crop in circle. To do that, go to effect control, opacity, make opacity visible. Yeah, by pressing shift, you can make your circle big. Then you can move anywhere that you want, like this. I want to press like this. I want to crop this one. Press opacity. Yeah, you can make the circle big. Pressing shift. One in rectangle, this one in circle, this one in the rectangle, this guy is in circle. I can also add strokes to the video, and to add, go to the video effect here, oscillate, paint bucket, or I can search like this. Bucket, yeah, paint bucket, and drop it here. Then you can make it large. You can decrease the video size. You can drag like this. Then I can move to anywhere that I want. Even I can add the video, another video. I can drop this video. Yes. I can crop again. Go to effect, video effect. You can directly also right here crop and drag the crop button to the video that you want to crop. I want to crop the video, how to zoom, view size, how to zoom. Then I go to effect control. Here you can see, for example, I want to crop this video. Then effect control, effect control, I click on crop item, then you can select any of the four. Let's select here. I can crop this video in every direction, like this, and also like this, also like this, even from top. I can move, press anywhere on the keyboard, and then you can move like this. Double click or double click on the video, then I can move like this. Let's group in circle item again, make it this back. You can again group this. Go to opacity. If I want to group in circle form, go to opacity. Yeah, you can make your circle big by pressing shift, and you can move like this, just using keyboard, mouse. You can move, and by pressing shift you can make your circle big. Yeah, you see, this is all about how to group the video on the Premiere Pro. And after that, I can export, press file, export media, or you can use shortcut. Yeah, also you can use shortcut Control plus M, and I can export in two ways. You can export by media encoder. If you don't have media encoder, you can export directly on Adobe Premiere Pro like this. If I press here, I export by Adobe, and if I press here, I will record. It will encode by export by media encoder. Let's press here, it will encode like this. I'll open my media encoder application. I already here. It's installing on Adobe Premiere Pro. Then the video will finish after 1 hour. To export this video, then press here. Then your video will be exported. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Goodbye.